Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are planning to start an LLC in 2025, you might have come across Northwest Registered Agent, one of the most trusted LLC information service in the USA. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will actually show you exactly how to form an LLC using Northwest Registered Agent, how much it costs, and some things to watch out for. So, if you are a freelancer, small business owner, or side hustler, watch this before you file. This could save you time, money, and ton of headache. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy business tutorials. Why you just need to be choose Northwest then compared to other. So all right, so why do people like Northwest registered region? They have been around since 1998, so they are legit. Then they are known for excellent privacy. They don't sell your data like some other cheap formation sites. They include register agent service for the first year that's required in most states. They handle your legal mail and keep your address off public record, which is huge if you work from home. Compared to other options like LegalZoom, Northwest is straightforward and has fewer hidden upsells. So here, if you want to visit this place, you just need to be go and search for North and ORTHWESTREG registered agent.com. This the URL is too much big, but the website is pretty much cool and trusted. Or you can use my referral link in the description if you want to help the channel at no extra cost. You just need to click on start an LLC or hire us. For this one here, you can see we have the option for start an LLC. You will see page where you will pick your state. Here you can easily pick your state. Before that, I will always suggest you read properly the description. Use our LLC guides and free business tools to start your LLC. Today select your state below to get started or get a whole lot more when you are hired. No ways to from your LLC for less money than a tank of gas. We will register your company fast and stand up your entire LLC identity in minutes. That include business address, mail scanning, and additional phone line on iOS or Android app. Domain name registrations, business email, website, and hosting. So here you can see you just need to select like choose the state. Most people just pick the state where to live and do business. Don't make it overcomplicated it unless you have a specific reason. For example, I will pick California because I live in California. Once I pick it, then it will redirect us to the next panel. So start your California LLC by filling your articles of organization and statement of information. 19 USD dollar total. With the California Secretary of State, you can use our free business tool to fill out your formations paperwork by yourself, or you can hire us to file you for just 39 USD dollar plus state fee. So here you just need to provide your business details, like fill out your business details. Now you will see simple form. Enter your desired LLC name. Here what will you call your business? Make sure it is unique and include LLC at the end, and add your business purpose, for example online store, consulting, or marketing service. Then add your business address. If you want privacy, you can use Northwest address in many states. Then you just need to choose if you want to use their registered agent service. Most people do because it's include for the first years, that's why. So you can skip this process right now, you can decide later. Then let's go to the skip this one, and here initial street address and signature, you can skip this one also. So you can see the form also here, you can open this one, then you can click this one. Here actually you can see whenever you will fill anything, it will be added in here. That's really amazing, the thing is so much attractive. So here you just need to provide the details and click to the save progress. You just need to click, and here you just need to submit all the things. Now you just need to create an account over here to continue or complete the process. So here actually you can see when you want more you can get more thing like register an agent. Northeast register is business identity service. Start and run your business right away in 10 minutes and 10 clicks. You can get your LLC address, mail scanning, phone, email, professional email, domain name, web hosting, register agent, and a one-going business filling setup. So I hope you understand how amazing this one. So if you want to add members and manager in here, you are allowed to do it. Next you will add the members and manager for your LLC. If you are a solo owner, that's just you, super simple. But if you have partners, add them here. You will also create your operating agreement. Northwest can generate this for you, which is huge plus. Then here let's create an account on here. First of all, login, just click over here, then see how about the dashboard. So here you just need to click on sign up for free. Once you click over here, then actually you will get this one, get a free account. Want you to see the Northeast, you just need to provide your all address. Let's click to the jack press, then provide my address over here. Then I will copy my password because I already saved it somewhere. So now I am going to paste it here again. Let's come from this one and just click to I'm not Robert and click to the create account. This is so much easy to create account in Northeast agent platform, and it will take a while to complete the process, so we need to be keep patient. Let's visit our Gmail mailbox. Did we get any mail over here? Yes, we already get a mail. So here explore your free business account, so you can see it. So we are on free account. What's in your free account? 1000 of state and federal business from access to the free state business compliance reminder, secure and free business document storage, and product and service to help move your business forward. Lifetime customer support, maximum privacy. We will never see or market your data. Use the free resource in your account without limitation, and you can hire us at any point along the way. So here you can see we already created our Northwest profile. So here you can see we have this register option where you can easily register your state. Then we have the documentation, like if you start anywhere you can read this documentation. Then here we have this invoice panel. In here you can see your invoice. Then if you want to hire them, you just need to select the company or for like you already listed. Then you can add your company over here, enter entity type, many more. Like then here we have this service panel. So here what kind of a service do you want, so you can choose from that place. So I will click on manage your business, and from that place I will click on get started. And here you just need to be select any of them, like which state you are from. I will click on California, then click to the continue, and here choose an entity type in California limited LLC. Other entities type you can choose from that place. You just need to click continue, and then here you just need to provide your address. Then when you in the ending point, you just need to be choose extras. Now you will see a few options address like EIN or tax ID. Northeast can get your EIN from the IRS for a small fee, or you can do it yourself for free online. There is another thing, this annual compliance. They will handle your annual report filing to keep your LLC in good standing. Then mail forwarding, good if you want them to handle all your mail. Decide what you want, you can skip what you don't need. Then let's review the checkout. Like when you find out that your order summary is okay, you will see your state filing fee. This varies by state. For example, California is around $17, while Florida is about $125. Northeast service fee around $100 to $125, and add-ons will be extra if you choose any. You just need to double check everything, then click process to payment and enter your payment details and click to the submit. And what happened will be next. So Northeast will prepare and file your articles of organization with your state. You will get an email confirmation with a timeline. Most states take a few days to a few weeks to process LLC filing, and you can track your order status right in your Northeast dashboard. Once your LLC is approved, you will get your official documents by email. It's super easy. And don't forget, after your LLC is formed, you will need an EIN. It is employee identification number to open a business bank account to hire employees. You can get an EIN yourself for free at irs.gov. It only takes about 5 minutes, or if you paid for Northeast to do it. They will handle it for you. Next, open a business bank account and get a business credit card and keep your business money separate from your personal money. So that's it. You now have an LLC, you are protected by legally, your business looks legit. So to recap, Northeast is the great if you want privacy and good support. They are not the cheapest, but they don't sell your info, and their service in is super straightforward, and their customer service is US based and known for being very helpful. If this step-by-step tutorial helped you, please smash that like button, subscribe for more simple small business guides, and drop any questions till I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new businesses.